Blood Transfusion Medicine Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS da Manipur Da Ahanba Oina Biometric-Based Blood Donor Management System Houdokkhre system adu Houdokpa ki thoramda RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma na luchingduna Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev Singh, Department of Transfusion Medicine ke Head Professor Pratima Khoyumthem, Faculty Member, Official Staff amadi Blood Donor Singh Sarukyaki. Thoramadu kamari lenana Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Paumi Singh da Fongdokibada Blood Screening System masina illegal amadi involuntary blood donation bu thingnaba pandam thamli. System masina donor amana EP kiba numit humbudra Marputara sujingai matamda blood piba khangbangam lagani amadi hanjina blood pisin ba khangbangam lagani amadi idegi santokpa laina hepatitis B hepatitis C amadi HIV su screening tawduna khangdokpangam lagani haiba wafam phongdoki
illegally blood yon ba haitare aduga voluntary nataba adugumagi issue ma laibadagi we sanction mayam keno su members we obiri adu screen je kamai to gadagi na koina discussion to buda koi IT share gar tawga collaboration tawga koina biometric based ma tawga illegally masagi blood yon bagi thabak tawga si kamai na koina lephan gani haibadugi koi gi approach samani masi ado koina thamjaram dai sing asagi blood ngasi koina koi nakanda koi gi we donor ma manata hi yam thai kya dagi to wi koi to isi Mantu kuntharak shuba keno ni koi donor ni ada magi biometric se koi enter tawre adu nga sai masina thahum sudri bodi masi blood donation ti to ya adu nga si dagi koi every donor will be registered here adu ga magi koi screening to ba HIV hepatitis B C mayam loi da entry to ni adu kai gumba masi yaragadi mathangi amuk thahum le la ko da koi green button se thula ga he will be accepted as a donor. Serious screen. I think this will help us to screen the professional donors, and this will discourage people who will be engaged in sort of activity that is dangerous to our society.